Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking, this is the BISSELL CleanView Pet Edition. It comes in a variety of colors. This one's in orange. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself on Amazon, and I wanted to give you a rundown. And I own the Hoover Pet Edition, and I also own a Dyson. So there's some distinct advantages to this one, including the price. This is the lowest price of the major pet vacuums on the market. Now, first off, easy to recline. Just go ahead and zoom in here, but to kick it back, just press here. And it has 5 different settings of height. I have it on 3 for a mild carpet. So to start it, just press the back button here. It's not the loudest vacuum. And something I like to do is I've already vacuumed this floor once with another vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna see if we pick up any dirt and debris from my canister vacuum, just real quickly doing a few feet of floor. Turn it off. And the canister vacuum here, you can see, even though I've already vacuumed immediately before with another vacuum cleaner, picking up tons of pet hair. That's from my Beagle mix. So a fantastic option there, that this thing really does pick up the pet hair. You can see that the wide brushes are great for really pulling up the pet hair, and this thing makes a real difference. Next, I'm going to show you the attachments that come with it are significant. This is great for getting pet hair out of other areas. You can see the wide bristles as well. And then it has your standard other tools here, which is going to make it easy to use. Now, if you're looking for this, how easy is it to switch over? Just pull this out, plug it in, you're good to go. So what are the advantages of this vacuum cleaner? First off, it is probably the lightest of the comparable vacuums. They use a lighter weight plastic, which is going to make a real difference in the regards of your overall fatigue. If you're a smaller person, some people, you get those really vacuums that suck to the ground. They're really heavy, they're made for pets, but it is like moving a freight train. This thing is light and easy to use. Compared to the Dyson Ball, I will admit the Dyson Ball, because of its swivel technology, turns a little easier. This one turns fine, it's a lighter vacuum, but that Dyson Ball will stop at a 45 degree almost immediately. But for that, you're paying 3 or 4, maybe 5 times as much for that vacuum cleaner. In terms of overall suction, this is as good a vacuum as you're gonna get. If you're looking for pet hair, this is an A+, okay? The way that the brushes are, the amount of vacuum, and the adjustable settings make it absolutely fantastic. So it comes in a variety of colors. We're looking at the CleanView, and again, just from the little bit that we used, look at how much that canister is full of dog hair. And we did maybe a 9 square foot section. So go ahead and order today. This thing is absolutely fantastic. You can get it on Amazon with Prime, free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. And this may be, dollar for dollar, the best vacuum on the planet, particularly for pet hair. Go ahead and order with confidence. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.